Inside the receiving area, the flour is transferred through sealed systems designed to keep every ingredient clean and protected. Once approved, the flour enters the production line, where automated systems measure every ingredient with remarkable precision. Now, precisely measured flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients come together to begin the transformation into fresh bread. Powerful industrial mixers knead the ingredients until the dough develops the smooth, elastic texture needed for the next stage. Next, the freshly kneaded dough is divided into precisely measured portions, ensuring every loaf starts with the same amount of dough. Each portion now passes through precision shaping machines, giving the dough its familiar form before it enters the proofing stage. Inside a carefully controlled proofing chamber, the dough rests as temperature and humidity allow it to rise and develop its texture. Now the shaped dough enters the industrial oven, where controlled heat will transform it into golden, freshly baked bread. Before baking, every piece is inspected for consistent size, shape, and texture, helping maintain the same quality in every loaf. Before slicing and packaging, the freshly baked bread is carefully cooled to stabilize its texture and prepare it for the final stages.
Once cooled, each loaf passes through precision blades that create perfectly even slices at high production speed.
Advanced vision systems inspect every loaf, checking its shape, color, and consistency before it reaches the packaging line. After inspection, each loaf is automatically wrapped in food-grade packaging, protecting the bread and keeping it fresh. Next, each package is securely sealed and labeled, preparing the finished bread for storage, distribution, and delivery. Before leaving the production line, every package passes a final weight and integrity check to ensure it meets the factory's standards. Once approved, the finished loaves are packed into shipping cartons, ready to leave the factory and begin their journey to stores.
Automated sorting systems now organize the finished cartons, directing each shipment toward its designated destination.
Robotic arms then stack the cartons onto pallets, creating stable shipments that can be safely transported to distribution centers. From here, the finished bread is organized in the distribution warehouse, ready for its journey to stores and customers. Finally, the finished bread is loaded onto delivery trucks, beginning the last step of its journey from the factory to the shelves. At the distribution center, the freshly produced bread is unloaded and prepared for delivery to individual stores. With the production process complete, the bread leaves the factory and begins its journey toward stores and consumers. From raw ingredients to a finished loaf, every step has been carefully controlled to deliver fresh, consistent bread. And that is how a simple loaf of bread travels through a highly automated journey, from raw ingredients to the finished product.
Please subscribe to Factory Works Official for more amazing Inside the Factory videos.